Describe and explain what are the appropriate designs and design processes for sex robots, and a quiz with 10 multiple-choice questions. Appropriate designs and design processes for sex robots. 1. Ethical considerations. Consent representation. Robots should emulate consensual interactions, avoiding designs that promote non-consensual or exploitative behavior. Age appropriateness. Designs must strictly adhere to adult representation to avoid ethical and legal issues. Cultural sensitivity. Designs should respect cultural norms, values, and diversity to avoid alienation or offense. 2. Functional design. Realism versus fantasy. Balance between realistic human-like features and imaginative design, catering to diverse preferences while maintaining ethical boundaries. Safety standards. Materials should be non-toxic, durable, and safe for physical interaction. User experience. Ergonomics and intuitive controls are critical for ease of use and accessibility. 3. Technological aspects. Artificial intelligence. AI incorporating adaptive learning to improve interactions while ensuring AI does not overstep ethical boundaries. Customization. Allow users to personalize appearance, voice, and behaviors within ethical guidelines. Privacy and security. Ensure data protection and user privacy in all connected features. 4. Design processes. Stakeholder collaboration. Involving ethicists, psychologists, technologists, and legal experts in the design process. User testing. Collecting feedback from adult users while maintaining ethical oversight. Regulatory compliance. Ensuring alignment with laws and standards in the countries of manufacture and use. Iterative development. Continual improvement based on technological advances and societal feedback. Quiz on sex robot design and processes. 1. What is a critical ethical consideration in designing sex robots? A. Low production costs. B. Representing consensual behavior. C. Including realistic weapons. D. Avoiding AI implementation. Answer. B. Representing consensual behavior. 2. What type of materials should be used in sex robot manufacturing? A. Non-toxic and durable materials. B. Low-cost plastic only. C. Recycled metals exclusively. D. Easily degradable materials. Answer. Non-toxic and durable materials. 3. Why is customization important in sex robot design? A. It ensures every robot looks identical. B. It caters to diverse preferences within ethical guidelines. C. It reduces production complexity. D. It eliminates the need for AI. Answer. B. It caters to diverse preferences within ethical guidelines. 4. What role does AI play in sex robots? A. It replaces physical functionality. B. It provides adaptive and realistic interactions. C. It reduces the robot's lifespan. D. It makes robots less user-friendly. Answer. B. It provides adaptive and realistic interactions. Why is data privacy important in sex robots? A. To allow unrestricted sharing of user data. B. To protect sensitive personal information. C. To promote advertising opportunities. D. To simplify design processes. Answer. B. To protect sensitive personal information. What is the purpose of stakeholder collaboration in design? A. To minimize costs. B. To incorporate diverse ethical and technical perspectives. C. To limit innovation. D. To avoid regulations. Answer. B. To incorporate diverse ethical and technical perspectives. Which of the following is essential for user experience in sex robots? A. Complex controls. B. Lack of customization. C. Intuitive and ergonomic design. D. High physical strength. Answer. C. Intuitive and ergonomic design. What should sex robot designs avoid to respect cultural norms? A. Simplistic aesthetics. B. Offensive or insensitive features. C. Realistic representations. D. Customization options. Answer. B. Offensive or insensitive features. What is an important aspect of iterative development in design? A. Testing designs once only. B. Continuous improvement based on feedback. C. Completely discarding older models. D. Avoiding user involvement. Answer: B. Continuous improvement based on feedback. What ensures compliance in sex robot manufacturing? A. Ignoring legal requirements. B. Alignment with regional laws and standards. C. Using outdated technology. D. Rapid, unchecked production. Answer: B. Alignment with regional laws and standards. This discussion highlights the importance of balancing technological innovation with ethical, societal, and legal responsibilities in designing sex robots.